Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 豚とさつまいもの味噌煮. It's pork and sweet potato simmered in miso. The combination of sweet potato and salty miso is heavenly and I simply love it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this 豚とさつまいもの味噌煮. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 300 grams of pork, any part you like, but it's thinly sliced like shabu-shabu style. Sweet potato, it's about 400 grams. 3 tablespoons each of sake, mirin and miso, 2 teaspoons of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, 1 tablespoon each of sugar and grated ginger, and some green onion to garnish. All the cutting first. So green onion. Let's just make it into thin slices. Bottom off. And thin slices. This is the garnish at the end. So let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. And sweet potato. I'm using it with the skin on to enjoy the color, so I washed it really well. Both ends off. And let's cut it into bite-sized pieces. And release them in cold water, just plain water. Let's heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. No need to measure it, just eyeball it. And let's cook the pork. When the pork is half cooked, add sweet potato. Just sweet potato, not with the water. Keep cooking until the sweet potato is coated with the fat from the pork. Add 2 teaspoons of hondashi and 1 cup of water. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until sweet potato is nice and soft. Simmered for 10 minutes and the toothpick can easily go through. Let's make the miso seasoning. Miso, sake, mirin, sugar, and ginger. And give it a good mix until there is no lumpy miso. Add it to the frying pan. Give it a stir. And keep cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes with the lid off this time to cook down the broth. I cooked it for 5 minutes or so, and the broth is cooked down to half or less. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. Sprinkle some green onion for better presentation. And 豚とさつまいもの味噌煮 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The sweet, salty, and gingery miso seasoning, it's so appetizing and you can't stop eating it. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚とさつまいもの味噌煮 is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about sunomono for one of them and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!